A mango agro park in Clarendon is expected to help fill the growing demand for the crop on the international market. The project comes as the multi-billion-dollar trade continues to thrive. And as you'll hear in this report, desperate suppliers have even proposed that the Jamaican government employs people to go door to door to buy mangoes from residents who have mango trees in their yards so that the fruit can be exported.
Close to 900 acres of land in southern Clarendon will be put into mango production, specifically East Indian and St. Julian mangoes. The mangoes are needed to supply the export market.
We had a meeting with this investor last month, and he just cannot wait to get the mangoes. In fact, he's proposing that we start moving and finding mangoes to fill the export demand gap. In fact, he went as far as to propose that we start going house to house and try to find mangoes.
5 businessmen will invest in the initial phase of the project. The Ministry of Agriculture said it is starting with 5 farmers to ensure they have enough mango seedlings to plant.
We have had over 35 applications. So a lot of Jamaicans have money and want to invest in agriculture.
May I add that the ministry itself is doing another 60 acres. So we are leading from the front.
This is one of the biggest and most labor-intensive agriculture programs to come to Clarendon since the cane industry, which could mean hundreds of jobs.
Very good location. You have communities in Manchester very close by. So labor is not a problem, and those guys are very hardworking.
The project is expected to coincide with the opening of the new Mapen to Williamsfield leg of Highway 2000.
The Mango Agro Park with 900 acres is strategically located at Spring Plain, Clarendon. And you see the highway running right through. So when you're ready to ship to Kingston, it becomes so easy.
Jamaica earned just over $620,000 last year from mango exports, but the international market is worth $80 billion.
The Mango Agro Park, after 3 years, will have a positive cash flow for the next 70 years or more. This suggests that you as an investor, your children, your grandchildren, and your great-grandchildren can benefit substantially from this investment.
The mango seedlings, once planted, take 3 years to grow and bear. The farmers will therefore be allowed to plant cabbage, tomatoes, and potatoes on the land as a way of earning in the interim. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.